Unlocking soft skin, the magic of body scrubs. Hello, lovely learners. Today, we're diving into a term that's smooth to the touch and refreshing for the skin. Have you ever wondered what a body scrub is and why it's a buzzword in the world of beauty and wellness? Whether you're a skincare enthusiast or new to the concept, this video is your go-to guide to understanding what a body scrub is all about. Get ready to polish your English and your skincare routine. At its core, a body scrub is a skincare product designed to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells from the body. Think of it as a facial scrub, but for your entire body. The main purpose is to leave your skin feeling smooth, soft, and rejuvenated. Body scrubs typically contain an abrasive ingredient, like sugar or salt, mixed with oils and sometimes additional fragrances or essential oils to provide a pleasant scent and additional skin benefits. Using a body scrub is simple. During a shower or bath, you gently massage the scrub onto your wet skin in a circular motion, then rinse off. This process not only cleanses but also boosts circulation and helps to unclog pores, leading to healthier, brighter skin. Why include it in your routine? Well, exfoliation is key for shedding the skin of impurities and the dullness of dead cells. Plus, it prepares the skin to better absorb moisturizers and serums, making them more effective. Let's smooth out the wrinkles in some common skincare terms related to body scrubs. Exfoliate. To gently remove the outermost layer of dead skin cells. Abrasive. A material that can scrub or clean a surface by rubbing or grinding. Moisturize. To make something less dry. In skincare, it refers to the use of creams or lotions to hydrate the skin. Essential oils. Highly concentrated natural oils extracted from plants, which have various therapeutic properties. Circulation. The movement of blood through the vessels of the body, which can be stimulated by exfoliating. Understanding these terms will not only help your skin but also enhance your language skills. Interested in making your own body scrub? It's easy. You'll need 1 cup of sugar or salt, your abrasive, 1/2 cup of coconut oil or olive oil, for moisture and binding, a few drops of your favorite essential oil, for scent and benefits. Mix these ingredients together, and voila! You have a homemade, natural body scrub. That wraps up our journey into the world of body scrubs. We hope this video has been both informative and engaging, making your path to learning English and self-care a little bit smoother. Remember, a body scrub is more than a beauty product. It's a way to care for your skin and a wonderful addition to your English vocabulary. Stay radiant, inside and out, and catch you in the next video.